The following video will help you to clean the brewing unit of your Siemens EQ. The first step is to switch off the appliance. Open the door to the brewing chamber on the right side. Remove the coffee grounds container and set it to one side. A red lever is located above the brewing unit. Push the lever up and carefully pull the brewing unit out of the appliance. Rinse it by hand under warm, running water. Take care to remove any coffee residues from the hollows and grooves. Carefully move the brewing pot back and forth. Thoroughly clean the inside of the appliance with a damp cloth before reinserting the brewing unit. Allow both parts to dry before reassembly. Push the brewing unit back into the appliance until the red lever clicks into place. Then reinsert the coffee grounds container and close the door. Your appliance is ready to use again.
Siemens, the future moving in.